Hey y'all, it's Martha here. I was offered to do some more videos by Beebeeceaft Creations. So I ordered some more things and I'm here to unbox them and show them to you. You will find the links to the products in the description, as well as a coupon code for 10% off, Martha10. Also, you'll find a link in the description if you're a channel with over 100 subscribers. You can apply to their YouTube program, and most likely you will be able to choose some products yourself and do some videos. So if you're interested in doing that, please go check the links and check the links for the website and for the products. So I have opened the box, or well, it was a bag actually, but I haven't pulled any of these things out yet, but let's do that together. Now, I've been choosing something different than a lot of people because I don't know, I've got lots of beads and things, and I may order some in the future, some more in the future, but right now I just wanted to do something different, so I ordered some things. I saw by accident that they sold these. Let me cut this. And so I went ahead and ordered some things that I've been wanting to buy, and just, you know, how you put things off, hoping you'll get it cheaper or a better deal or something. Or you're not really sure if you want it, but you do want it, but you're not sure. Well, that's kind of the way I was with these products. Well, some of them anyway. So let's start with this one first. This is a fancy border punch. So I think this is the first one I saw. I said, ooh, they got punches, and they do have a few. So I wanted to get it. I've been wanting one. I may want some more too, but let's go ahead and try this out and see what it looks like. Let's see, ooh, that looks pretty, y'all. Look at that. So it'll probably take me a minute to figure out where's the best place to position everything, but that's going to be pretty when I do. All right, that's the first one. And then I saw another punch. Let's see what this one is about. This one is a lever corner punch, but it's a fancy corner. Now, I did order some fancy ones, one fancy one from Temu, but it's not got enough. It's not big enough for me. I wanted something that would really stand out. So let's hope this one does. Yes, look at that. That's beautiful. I love that. I love this too, but I'm gonna have to figure out where's the best place to line it up. And then what else have I got here? I have got another punch. Now this one is a tag punch. I have one tag punch, which is for the top, but I thought these would be good for the bottom. So let me see if they will work together or not. This is a 1.5, 1.5, and 2.5, and this is the same thing. So now I can do me some fancy tags and have the tops and the bottoms. And you're thinking, well, you can get dies for that, but I don't know. I kind of rather just grab a punch and have it handy if I can. So, and then the next two things are not punches, but I wanted to spend all the money that they allowed me, so I bought a few other things that I wanted. First off, I bought this really pretty stencil. I like to buy stencils and use them in mixed media and things like that. I'm trying to find, I don't see oh, there we go. Little pulley tab right here. Let's just pull it out and see. Ooh, look at that pretty paper in the background. You know that's going to be used. And then this is the stencil. I think that's very pretty. I like all the swirlies and flowers and leaves of it. That's really pretty. Okay, and the last thing I got was I got some dies, and these are also tag dies. Not just tag punches, but tag dies. But these are different. They have a design, several designs. We have this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So 6 different designs, and I thought, let me see, you might be able to see them. Let me see, I can find a brighter piece of paper. Even if I don't use them for actual tags, I could use them for some stenciling because they're really cute patterns on there. But look at that. It's so pretty. So there you have it. My haul from Beebeeceaft. And I will come on in the next few weeks with a couple of more videos and show you a little tutorial on how to use them and what you may be able to create too if you want to get some of this stuff. Remember, check the description for all of the links, and I really do appreciate y'all watching. Bye now.